Help Scout versus Jira Service Management. Which is the best help desk software? This is a common question among businesses looking to streamline their customer support. While both platforms offer valuable features, the answer depends on your business needs. In this video, we'll break down what each software brings to the table and compare their strengths and weaknesses to help you make the right choice. First, let's talk about Help Scout. It's an easy-to-use help desk tool designed with simplicity in mind. One of its standout features is the shared inbox, which helps your support team collaborate more efficiently. With Help Scout, agents can assign tickets, add internal notes, and view customer histories all in one place. It also integrates seamlessly with other apps like Slack, Salesforce, and Shopify. However, while it's great for small to medium-sized businesses, it may lack some advanced features required by larger teams or enterprises. Additionally, the reporting and analytics could use some improvement, especially if you need detailed insights into your customer support operations. Next thing, let's dive into Jira Service Management. This software, a part of Atlassian's ecosystem, offers a more robust suite of features, making it a better fit for larger teams or organizations. It provides advanced workflow customization, automation rules, and a powerful ticketing system. Jira also offers strong integration with other Atlassian products, which is a huge plus if you're already using tools like Jira Software or Confluence. That said, Jira Service Management can feel complex and overwhelming for smaller teams. The interface is a bit more technical and may have a steeper learning curve for new users. Moving on to the third point, we need to talk about pricing. Help Scout offers more predictable pricing with plans that start at $25 per user per month, making it a more affordable option for smaller businesses. It's a no-frills solution that delivers value without the added complexity. Jira Service Management, on the other hand, can get pretty expensive, especially if you need to scale. Its pricing starts at $20 per agent per month, but the costs can rise quickly as you add more users and require additional features like advanced reporting or ID SIM capabilities. The fourth thing to consider is customer support. Both tools offer strong customer support, but their approaches differ. Help Scout shines in this area with its excellent support team and a knowledge base that's easy to navigate. Jira Service Management also has good support, but its documentation can be more technical, which might not be ideal if you're new to the platform. Help Scout's simplicity and focus on customer experience make it a better choice for those who prioritize quick and effective support. Lastly, let's talk about automation. Jira Service Management comes with more advanced automation features, allowing you to set up custom workflows and automatically assign tickets based on predefined rules. If your business requires a high level of automation, Jira is the clear winner. Help Scout has basic automation features, but they are less flexible and may not be enough if you need to scale your customer service operations. So, which is the best help desk software, Help Scout or Jira Service Management? Both platforms are solid choices, but after trying both myself, I think there's a better alternative out there if you're looking for something that combines ease of use with powerful features. I recommend checking out the first link in the description for a free trial of the tool I think is the best for most businesses. Through our link, you'll get access to exclusive benefits and the best free trial available for our viewers. Give it a try and see for yourself.